I'll be starting today's project with a Dollar Tree bat and ball that you can find in the toy section. Now for this DIY, I'll be making use of just the bats. I'll be using the construction adhesive and a hot glue gun to join two bats together. I'll be gluing on the bats to this wooden board at the four corners and at the middle. I'm going to get the midpoint, and then I'll be gluing four bats at the middle. I'm going to turn this over and glue on pebbles at four sides of this board to make it easy for me to lift it up. Now I'm going to take it out and spray paint the whole thing gold. When it was dry, I glued on Dollar Tree candle holders at the top. I was short of 2 candle holders, so instead of 4 here, I'll just be putting up 2. I added gems inside the candle holders. I'll be drawing out a pattern on this parchment paper that I'll be using on my design. When I'm done drawing, I'm going to turn it over and trace it out with hot glue. It's so easy doing this on parchment paper because when it's dry, it comes off easy. I'll be making 8 of these designs, and then when I'm done, I'm going to take them out, spray paint them gold, and glue them to the DIY table. I'll be covering this middle part here. And you should know that when you're doing this hot glue method, the hot glue on the pattern should be thick enough so that when you're applying hot glue again on it to put it on the surface of what you want it to be attached to, it won't melt. I'll be using gems to hide the lines that I have there, and then I'll extend the gems further. The DIY table I made, instead of glass, I'll be using acrylic sheets for the top. Now this is what the table looks like. Now I had to turn it over to see what it was going to look like as a table from the bottom. Today's DIY turned out pretty and it's super easy to make, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I have the home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.